This Alex topic is called Integer Subtraction Problem Type 2. Guess they were like, let's put the most boring title we ever possibly could on this topic. Basically, and I'm not going to go super deep into the where, why, fors, and whatnots of why we do this. Maybe I'll make another video about that later. But I just kind of want to show you some of the general rules of how to subtract integers. The main thing to know right now is that when you see a minus next to a negative sign, so a minus next to a negative sign, they cancel each other out. I like to have fun when I'm actually teaching in the classroom, and ever since I've been teaching for so long, the first year I taught, actually, one of my colleagues called it the boop boop rule. Why did he call it that? Because you go boop boop. So what is the problem asking you to do? It's asking you to do this now. Alright, so you have 7 of something and you took 3 of them away. What are you going to end up with? You have 4 left. You have 7, you took 3 away, you have 4 left. Alright, let's try another one. This one here, minus 2. So it's 6, take away negative 2. Again, like I said earlier, you have a minus sign, and next to a negative, they cancel out. Boop, boop. What are you looking at now? That is cake. Anybody can do that. You can even use your fingers and do that one if you need to. 6 plus 2, you got 8 fingers holding up. Perfect. Let's try another one. Negative 2 minus, I don't know, how about negative 3? Again, minus, sitting there next to a negative. Boop, boop. So we're actually looking at negative 2 plus 3. If you want to translate it into like a bigger thought, we have 3 of something, we're taking 2 of them away, we are left with 1. Alright. How about if you're feeling brave and you want to write these problems down, I'll give you 2 of them. And you can write them down and then hit the pause button and then come back and see how you did. Alright, there's your 2 problems. Alright, if you're still with me or you're just checking your answer, boop, boop. Never, ever, ever change that guy. Never. There's no negative sign, there's no subtraction sign next to him. It's on the other side of him, so that doesn't count. So it's only these 2. So then if you're thinking about what we have this. You got $8, let's say. You take 5 away because you spent it on something, so you're left with $3. Second problem, 7 minus a negative 4. Boop, boop. So what do we have now in reality? Love this problem. 7 plus 4, I can do that. That's awesome. I love those. I'll do one more example in case you want a little more. Let's see if I can come up with, I feel like I'm using the same old numbers. So negative 1 minus negative 10, and 14 minus negative 3. Alright, same deal. Boop, boop. And then think about it, you have negative 1. So you have 10 somethings, you've taken 1 of them away. That leaves you with 9 somethings. Bottom problem, 14 minus a negative 3. Boop, boop. So now we have 14. I love those. Those are my favorite once I figured this rule out when I was a kid. I'll tell you, it's like I could add all day long, but don't ask me to subtract negatives. That would intimidate me. Alright, feeling good? Alright.